Right, apologies. I never thought about this. I'm on my second one as well, and I couldn't find a video out there for taking. This is the Teclast x98 Pro. I was changing the screen on it. Now I've purchased a new screen for £25, so that'll be about $30-ish, something like that. I can't really put all this back now to show you. Come here. Right. But it unclips. You'll see some other videos out there showing how the back unclips. So it doesn't unscrew or anything, it unclips. And then as you take it off, you're left with this basically, with these are all on the cables to secure them. So you're left with the back of this, which is your motherboard, battery, your Wi-Fi's up this end, your volume buttons, your power buttons, control buttons, your cameras, that's your screen, and over in this corner you have the power supply. Let's focus on me. Power supply and the HDMI out, I think it is. So I've just done one, and this is the second one. These were my kids. Both the screens are smashed. So I bought these screens. Excuse me. So yeah, I've taken this apart, and there are, as you can see here, 6 screws that you need to remove. So these larger ones, there's 4 of them. They are, focus, in each of these corners. That's for the LCD. Okay. Then there's 2 more which go on the motherboard, or this PCB, and they're secured. There's just these 2. You can zoom in. Get a zoom. Focus. See these 2 white bits here? That's where they came from. So there's 1, 2, then there's all 4 corners, 6 screws. That's it, simple. Then you have to focus your attention up here. I got a flat screwdriver and popped 1, 2, and then 3 clips, which is the antenna. And also over here, peeled all of these off, and this is the front and back rear cameras that are plugged into here. Just being careful because the battery's still on. I haven't disconnected the battery on this one. I changed the battery on the other one so it was disconnected so I could touch it all. So that's where the cameras plug in. So unplug that, and then you have the power and volume control buttons which plug in there, so I'll pick that up. And this is the screen that's plugged in here. So this ribbon cable up. So now this will actually lift out. Very simple, and then we shall take this internal off here. It's got an internal screen cover. The only thing we need to remove out of here that sticks is this. So it's the speakers, I think they're speakers. But yeah, it comes off easy. Just lifts up like that. Bit of sticky tape on it basically. So now that will remove and place into here, and then I can show you. But I'll show you putting it back together, nice and simple. Right, so literally been 2 minutes. Peeled, that's the peeled. This is the old screen. Can you see? You see it's cracked. Anyway, there's the old screen. New screen in. I'll show you how, if I put this in reverse, because you didn't see it. So this. Show you these. 1, 2, 3 clips. Very simple. Flathead screwdriver in, pops them out nicely. That's the antenna. Wi-Fi. There is a small, you'll see all this anyway, this bit of tape was just holding that in, trapping it in there. Get a bit of cable management there. Keep that in. That's as it was. The camera, make sure they're okay. No crap on them. Right, that's that and that in. Rear, front camera. Let's plug him back in. You'll see all these very straightforward this, but you'll see that there are two little white pins, locating pins for the motherboard, to make sure that's in line. I shall put these two back first to secure this in place, and then I shall plug all these in and go back to them. Right, so I actually cheated a little bit. Well, not cheated, but I've put the LCD screws back in, as well as the two for the motherboard. So this is now all in and secure. There's a little in this corner, if you can see, you've just got to be careful. I think it's the little vibrator motor for when you get vibration on it there. Just make sure that doesn't get pulled out when you're doing it. It's all very straightforward. Plug this back in up here. I apologise, I don't do videos on YouTube, and I haven't got anything set up. I've got a little tripod that I could have set up, to be honest, but it's for spur of the moment. I just thought it might come in handy because there isn't a single video out there for taking the Teclast screen apart. There just isn't one out there. So, and I'm by no means a professional. I am an electrical engineer. Worked on a lot of PCBs, and I'm doing a lot of things wrong here. I know I am, but this is just like neither here nor there. It's just a tablet. If I was professional, I was doing it at work, then I would have grounded myself, and I would have took all precautionary measures. I wouldn't be doing it on a kitchen table either. But hey ho, it's a nice kitchen table, look. Got pheasants and grouse all over. Partridge and whatnot. Anyway, very nice. So, we shall put this back together. As you can see, this is all done now. Just gonna stick these back on to secure all these down so there's no movement in that. And this the volume buttons slot in up here, so all the way around. Power and volume. It's slot down there as this goes on. But you might be able to see here, yeah, the clips. That's all that holds it on. It doesn't need heating up or that way, you know, for it to, it just literally unclips all the way around. You have all these clips, so you need to get something like a spudger or whatever, but make sure it's a plastic one so you can get it in and it doesn't, see mine, I took the edge off that and get it in this, but still I've done it without damaging the case. You can also do, there's a couple of things, I'll try and put the links in there. No, I will put the links in the description. There was, I think it was a Russian guy who did the heatsink mod and a USB mod, so he took a USB off here and up, and I think up here somewhere, drilled it and put a normal size USB. Dremeled it out like that. Was good. It's a very good mod. If these work nice, and I might look at doing that. And obviously the heatsink mod I haven't done. Tech tablets did it, and it reduced it, stopped it throttling, so you got a lot of performance gains out of that. So we'll see how it works anyway. Hope you enjoyed it. Do not hate me for putting this out there and not starting from the beginning or anything like that. I just thought it might help some people, okay? So, enjoy.